It's a new day on Adventure of the Seas, and we're starting it off by eating at the main dining room for breakfast.
We haven't tried breakfast in the main dining room yet, and we're hoping that it's a little bit better than Windjammer. We picked up a paper cruise compass, which is the way to do it. I like it so much better than the digital one. But anyway, I noticed something weird. They, every night from 3:30 a.m. to 5 a.m., it says to stay in your room so they can sanitize and fog the guest corridors.
Keeping it healthy and clean.
This looks really good.
Chocolate pancakes for me.
So if you have extra time, the main dining room breakfast is much better.
Today is day at sea. We are making our way from Coco Cay to Cozumel, and in the meantime, we are playing shuffleboard before our napkin folding education session. We don't know how to play shuffleboard. We're bad at it.
We are now at the Schooner Bar for some folding artistry. I love this.
We're gonna turn this into something magical.
Now we have a rose.
Just like from Titanic.
Rose from Titanic.
So after lounging out on the top deck for a few hours, we got all dressed up and we are at Chops for lunch. And I'm excited because I've never tried a specialty dining restaurant before.
And I've never been to Chops before. And they're on most of the royal ships, I think, if not all of them.
Hopefully it's good. So I got the filet mignon. We got a side of fries.
Tater tots, mashed potatoes. I got the burger. It looks like a kid's meal. I'm hoping it tastes better than that.
We'll find out.
We got the warm chocolate cake. We can get that out of there.
Oh my god, I wanted that.
Oh, sorry. I thought it would be funny.
I'm so mad at you.
The chocolate cake was pretty good, but now you have to show me what you learned in the folding class.
Oh my goodness. Oh, I can't have this in here. We're gonna do the easy one.
This is your test. You have 30 seconds.
Oh my god. The pyramid.
Wow, good. So something we do before a cruise is get hyped and watch a bunch of people go on cruises, probably what you're doing right now. And something that we noticed is no one ever shows the gift shops. And so we're gonna do that and show you what the gift shops are like and what they have. So in the promenade here, they have a bunch of different gift shops going down. So let's quickly go through each one and see what they have.
All right.
So we have the general store here, which is a bunch of alcohol.
Primarily alcohol and then some snacks and anything that you forgot, travel essentials.
It's literally 99% alcohol. And they also have
2 for 20
Pringles that are 2 for 10.
Oh, 2 for 10.
2 for 10, so that's a great deal. Across the street, they have gifts and jewelry. That's pretty vague. Maybe they'll harass us. Something that's funny is the other day we were walking by it and they said, "Oh, ma'am, let me show you our earrings." And then you said, I don't even have my ears pierced. And that's true. And then he was like, "Oh." So that was just jewelry and stuff. And then they have, sometimes they have this thing in the middle with different things that they put out. Like right now it's watches.
Yeah.
And then this is logo souvenir, I guess is what it's called. I don't know.
Yeah, it's just royal stuff.
Yeah, so this is the best one. This is, I can't imagine buying anything other.
This is the only store I would buy stuff.
Yeah, I'll only buy stuff in this store. They have these cool ships. You could get a model for each ship you've been on. But then you would have nowhere to display all your ships. Like let's say you had 26 ships, but if only there was a poster where you could scratch off each royal ship you've been on. These shirts are like, so this is what the sale is right now. It's like today only for 2 hours, 2 for 20 t-shirts.
Oh look, they even have face masks.
Yeah,
that's kind of cool. But these are my favorite. These are legit Spirit jerseys with the ship name.
Yeah, I like the things that say Adventure of the Seas.
Yeah, it's more than just Royal Caribbean. It's the ship you're on.
This one's interesting because it has GPS coordinates, but I wonder what that would be. I guess just generally the Caribbean?
This one has all of the info about the ship.
That's cool.
That's kind of cool. I think this one's for me. This is my 2 for 20 tea.
Is that one 2 for 20?
I don't know. I can't tell if it's 2 for 6, 2 for 30, or 2 for 20. I'm gonna get it as a sleep shirt.
Because it's not good enough.
I wouldn't wear it in public.
Oh, wow. This could be a good dog toy, maybe for like a golden retriever.
Named Comet.
Should we do that?
Yeah, she deserves a present.
Okay, we picked out our items. We got a
dog toy for a golden retriever and a spirit jersey that says Adventure of the Seas.
Comet. We got something for ya.
What do we have?
What is that?
Comet, catch. Oh, yeah.
Sit. Catch it. They also have this hoodie, which I bought last night, which I love. It was perfect for the ice show. Okay, let's go to the next store. Next, we have perfume and cosmetics.
One for me. Smells so good. I use this at home, so it's cool that they have, you know, everything here.
Let's move on.
Okay.
Okay, so I think there's one more.
Just one left. Fashion boutique. So this one has more of like fashion items, but they're not royal themed.
Yeah. I feel like everything should be branded royal.
But let's say your luggage got stolen at the airport and you needed to clothe yourself for your entire cruise. This is probably where you would come. Forgot your bathing suit.
So there you have it. That's what all the stores look like. Something we forgot to mention is they have the physical distancing markers everywhere that there might be a line. Hand sanitizer stations everywhere, but that's normal on a cruise.
Yeah, absolutely.
Also, you can't fill up your freestyle cup on your own. You have to ask them to do it. Also, the ice cream, you have to have them get you your soft serve ice cream.
Yeah, and sometimes you get somebody who will really give you a good cone, and then sometimes they won't give you a good cone, and it's like a mix of who you'll get.
It's Tuesday. It's sad because it's just like, oh, the cruise is going by fast.
Right, but if you were at work and it was Tuesday, you'd be like, oh, it's Tuesday, it's so long until the weekend. Yeah. But now that you're on a cruise, you're like, it's Tuesday, it's almost the weekend, it's almost over.
What are we gonna do now? We're just gonna go hang around the pool, maybe take a nap. It's a little overcast today, but that's okay. And then later we will be playing bingo at 4 o'clock.
I'm so excited. I love bingo. I brought my own bingo blotter just in case I need to use it.
No.
I'm so excited.
I'm so sad that
I'm
you
gonna
brought that.
show off to everyone and be like, oh, you guys don't have one of these. Oh, sorry.
Oh no. We made it to bingo.
Good thing I brought my
I
blotter.
was making fun of you because I thought for sure that these...
You're gonna have to buy one.
She brought this. Ladies and gentlemen, she brought her own blotter onto this cruise.
Because I played bingo in college.
I thought it was going to be like one of the ones where you can't use the blotter. I'm still making fun of you for packing this, though. No. Dab and fever.
I got dab and fever.
So we got our bingo cards, and you were actually smart. I feel bad for making fun of you now for bringing the dabber.
As you should.
Because I had to get one and it was $3.
And yours is smaller than mine.
But this is actually better because it'll fit on the card better. Yours is probably going to be too big.
No, this is the exact size bingo board that I played in college.
So you were on your college's bingo team?
No, we went to a sketchy bingo hall in Columbia, South Carolina. Go Cox.
Oh, we have two! We have two standards! We're gonna boo her again! We have two standards, alright.
You got close, you got one away.
I was one away on 2 cards and they said my name to everyone.
First.
I was one away as well.
We're gonna start with RJ.
So this wasn't really the winner's ink.
I didn't win, neither did Brian.
RJ and Grace.
I'm not okay.
Whatever you choose for today, folks, have fun.
I'll be okay. I still have dab and fever.
Good. I hope you never lose that fever.
Right beside
It's a good fever to have.
Thank you so much.
And now it's time for us to go to dinner. On our way out of bingo, we found another duck.
We can't stop finding these.
But this looks like it has a different tag.
Yeah. This one says passport, adventure is back. If you re-hide me, add your info to my passport. Okay, we're doing this one.
Okay. Wait, the ducks have been married for 42 years.
Aw, Scott and Stacy from Maryland. Good for them. Marital quackery. Happy duck hunting.
What does the duck say?
Keep or hide, you decide.
I can't believe that this is a thing, and I've never heard of this.
And there have been so many freaking ducks on this ship. It's insane. And I'm gonna add my info to the passport, and we're gonna re-hide it.
Also, they have a model of Brilliance of the Seas, which is weird that it's not Adventure of the Seas. Isn't that weird?
So weird.
Okay, we gotta hide this duck. Are you gonna hide it right now?
Yeah, maybe. I don't know. I haven't decided.
We're walking back to our room and we found an Appalachian suite.
And there's another one.
I don't know what that means.
Appalachian Mountains.
Oh, Fuji. Oh yeah, like Mount Fuji.
Yeah. Andes. They're all
Andes. Who's Andy?
He's the mint chocolate that you get at the end of Olive Garden.
He invented that.
Poconos.
The Poconos. I wish ours had a name.
Yeah. Poke a nose.
Oh, poke your nose.
A money cactus.
And this one has like a plaque.
And then after
Wait, what if you put the duck right in this thing? Right over here. This is a good spot.
Yeah.
Wait, no, I meant this.
Oh.
Because this is like some art thing right by your room. And we'll be able to check on it if anyone takes it.
I love that. Okay, we just got all dressed up for dinner, and already our friend Mr. Duck is gone.
So I wonder if the duck either came to life or B,
Waddled out.
I guess someone found him. Or what probably happened was one of the stateroom attendants like maybe threw it away.
That would be so sad.
Or threw it in the ocean back where he belongs, I don't know. So they've sat us in the same section. We're doing my time dining and we've gotten the same section and same waiter every time, which is pretty impressive.
Yeah, it really is.
So someone made a snap judgment the other day at dinner and got called out for it in our day one video. In the comments, people have been calling you out. So you have to defend yourself now.
Okay, well, I don't want to talk about this.
You said that royal food was better than Carnival after day one.
Yeah, because that fried chicken was delicious, and I stand by it.
What about the rest of the food that we've had? It's day 4 right now.
It's been okay, but the thing is, my experience with Carnival food has really not been great. But food is subjective, and I hope we don't use this.
No, we're using it. This is going in.
Step off, people. I have my own opinion.
Boo. Tonight I got the pan-seared sole. You got the...
Short rib.
It looks good.
It does. So after dinner, we went to the adult arcade and lost a good bit of our money in the casino. And now we've decided to play in the less dangerous kid arcade and have some fun up here. I'm in 8th out of 8th place.
Shoot that guy.
I wish I had a thing to do that. 6th place. Woohoo!
Oh God.
Brian's attempting to win us some cool gear.
An iPad.
This game was in the casino. Baby, did you just win us an iPad?
No, it's a scam.
Aww.
All of the skee ball is unavailable because we're assuming because you have to touch the balls and they're shared.
Which is kind of silly because I just touched a steering wheel and that's fine.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Oh, it quacked. Okay.
Oh my God.
So we're gonna win a duck so that we can hide it. So pick a good one.
I can't move it. I want the unicorn one.
Uh-oh.
I got one! I've never wanted this thing in my life.
Ever?
I don't think so.
Are you talking about just the duck one or all?
No, any claw game.
Wow, that's sad. Okay, let's go hide
I want a claw game. You're mean.
Hide it in the pool.
Okay. So I've got my winnings here, and I've got my hiding spot here. May the odds be ever in your favor.
The sea is angry right now.
I'm scared to walk outside right now because of it.
We are on our way to Cozumel. We will be there tomorrow morning. Gus reveal.
Gus!
There he is.
Wow.
He turned into a stingray.
Wow.
And we got a compass.
That's
so
the
glad.
magic I'm looking
You know
for.
what? I wonder if he did that because he's seen like the previous compasses in our room.
And he knows we
Because they haven't been doing that. And I love getting the compass because you can't get the next day the day before.
And that's the best part because it's like the day's over. Oh, what a bummer. But then you can plan your next day.
Yeah, and like if you go to guest, what I meant was like when you go to guest services to get the paper compass, they only have that day. You can't get the next day. So this is great.
And Gus looks great. I love when they incorporate the sunglasses with Gus.
Yeah.
Love it. 10 out of 10.